Hey guys, I'm here with the Habitat crew, and we're about to install a door. So, we're gonna show you how to install a door from beginning to end. You guys be patient with us, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, they're getting the doorway ready by removing some tie backs. That's done.
We got another thing on the other side. You might need your hammer for that. You won't slide past the original. Does this have to come out, or does that stay in?
That can stay.
Okay.
All right, lift it up to me, Glenn.
It's going pretty good, John.
Huh?
I'm gonna get a little longer blade, but it's working. I'm gonna halfway
Hey,
there.
you told me not to leave these things on there, right?
No, leave the tabs on the bottom.
One of them's already off.
Well, just slide a stem or slide it underneath it, let it sit on it.
All right. Let's do it.
I'm gonna call it Tuesday. I can only do it on Tuesday and Thursday. That's what I thought you told me Thursday. Yeah, but it has to be before 9, so I'll do it Tuesday. Okay. And they should have it by Wednesday. Okay.
He's corking all around the door.
Let's squeeze behind it real quick.
Do I need anything on the floor here, Mike?
No, we're gonna spray foam underneath it. That's the reason we leave them things on it. Because they do that blower test, you know?
Yeah.
Remember that still
Good job.
They cut once, measure twice.
How much plywood?
Okay, we ready? Yeah. All right. Lift it up.
Back to this one.
Okay. Bottom in first.
Bottom in first.
I can't see it. I gotta go in and get a lower grab.
There it is. And we've got basic placement.
You wanna come in further? Lean it this way and do it. I think.
And there we have Alright, we're gonna go around and take a look on the inside. Well, we don't even have to go around, we should be able to go through. Let's see. Okay, we'll go around.
Usually all plastic door frames. No, the wooden ones, you just nail them in.
Wonder if there's
Mike's always busy doing something. Hey Mike, so what you're doing right there, bro?
I'm cutting this, trimming this back. This board will fit in there.
Alright,
That
cool.
way I can fit this last decking board in.
Alright, so this board right there, that's part of the deck right here that
Yep.
you guys have
Beautifully
beautifully built.
In, that way we can set the door.
Alright, very good. Apologies. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Alright, good. Good to hear. So this is insulation or what is this?
I'm doing the ductwork right
Oh, the ductwork. Alright,
Yeah.
good. Well, seems to be getting along pretty well, bro.
Yeah.
Doing a great job. Keep it up. Alright, so this is the inside of the door. So what are we doing here?
we're putting a shim underneath here to keep square the door up.
Okay. So we're putting a shim to help keep everything flush and square. Is that the basic install?
Yeah.
All right, great. Well, you guys at home seen it. That's the basic install. You guys have a great day.